Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our new lesson number 27, Types of Soil. Soil is the covering on the earth crust. There are many types of soil found in different parts of the earth. Each soil type is suited for the growth of particular plants, vegetation, and crops. Fill in the blanks with right answers from the help box. Number 1. The soil found in coastal plains and river basins are called alluvial soil. Alluvial consists of slate, sand, clay, and gravel and often contains a good deal of organic matter. It therefore yields very fertile soils such as those of the deltas of the Mississippi, the Nile, the Ganges, and the Brahmaputra and the Yuang rivers. Next, fill in the blank. The desert regions are associated with a special type of soil called arid soil. Arid soil from in an arid or semi-arid climate. Arid soils dominate the desert and xeric shrublands, which occupy about one-third of the Earth's land surface. Arid soils have a very low concentration of organic matter, reflecting the paucity of vegetative production on these dry soils. Water deficiency is the major defining characteristic of arid soil. Next, fill in the blank. The soft black soil that occurs in cool wet areas would denote peat soil. This soil is highly acidic in nature and black in color. Excessive wetness of the soil causes decay and degradation of dead vegetation, forming a layer of partially decomposed organic matter, resulting into peaty and marshy soil. Such type of soil is generally found in states of Tamil Nadu, parts of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Next, fill in the blank. Alluvial soil is rich in chemical properties and yields rich harvest of both kharif and rabi crops. The soil is generally covered by tall grasses and forests, as well as number of crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, tobacco, maize, cotton, soya bean, jute, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables, etc. Next, fill in the blank. The plantation of trees help in the process of soil conservation. Soil conservation. Planting vegetation as ground cover. Farmers plant trees and grass to cover and bind the soil. Plants prevent wind and water erosion by covering the soil and binding the soil with their roots. The best choice of plants to prevent soil erosion are herbs, wildflowers, and small trees. Next, fill in the blank. Laterite soil is rich in acidic and therefore good for tea plantation. Laterite soil is acidic mainly due to the nature of the parent rocks. This type of soil is poor in lime, magnesia, phosphates, nitrogen and humus. Laterite soil is fairly rich in potash and potassium. These soils have mainly developed in the higher areas of the peninsular plateau. The laterite soil are commonly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and the hilly areas of Orissa and Assam. Next, fill in the blank. A certain concentration of iron is found in red soil. Red soil contains a high percentage of iron content. which is responsible for its color. This soil is deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid, magnesium, and lime, about lime but fairly rich in potash, with its pH ranging from neutral to acidic. Next, fill in the blank. The soil found in high altitude region are mountain and hill soil. Mountain soil is mainly found on the hill slopes. These soils are formed due to mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, temperature variation, etc. These mountain soil are found in hill regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. These soils occupy about 8% of the total land area of India. Next, fill in the blank. Black soil is highly useful for growth of wheat, jawar, cotton, and linseed. Because of their high fertility and retentivity of moisture, the black soils are widely used for producing several important crops. Some of the major crops grown on the black soils are cotton, wheat, jawar, linseed, Virginia tobacco, castor, sunflower, and millets. Next, fill in the blank. The fertility level of the soil falling down in due course of time is referred to as soil erosion. Topsoil, which lies closest to the surface of the land, contains essential nutrients for crops. It is this layer of soil that is endangered by wind and water erosion. Soil erosion decreases soil fertility, which can negatively affect crop yields. Now, fun fact. The formation of a layer of rich topsoil from bare rock may take as long as 10,000 years. Now, students, we will study about next chapter, chapter number 28, the world of trade. Write the name of any two brands for each of the following products. Take the help of advertisements from newspapers, magazines, television, etc. Also take help of your teachers and parents. Shoes. Students, there are many brands of shoes existing in the market like Adidas, Bata. You can write any of them, but I am going to talk about Bata. Bata Shoe Company was founded on 24th August 1894 in the Moravian town of Zlin, Austria-Hungary, by Thomas Bata, his brother Antonin and his sister Anna, whose family had been cobblers for generations. Next brand, Nike. The company was founded on January 25, 1964 as a Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight and officially became Nike on May 30th, 1971. The company takes its name from Nike, the Greek goddess of victory. Next, pen. Students, I am going to talk about Parker Pen. The Parker Pen Company is an American manufacturer of luxury pens founded in 1888 by George Safford Parker in Janesville, Wisconsin, United States. In 2011, the Parker factory at New Haven, East Sussex, England was closed and its production transferred to Nantes, France. Next brand, Cello. Cello started its journey in 1995 by manufacturing and marketing a wide range of classic ball pens with imported tips and German links. Next is Biscuits. I am going to tell about Parle. Parle products began manufacturing biscuits in 1939. In 1947, when India became independent, the company launched an ad campaign showcasing its Gloco brand of biscuits as an Indian alternative to British branded biscuits. Next brand, Britannia. Britannia Industries Limited is an Indian food and beverage company founded in 1892 and headquartered in Kolkata. It is one of India's oldest existing companies. It is now part of the Wadia Group headed by Nusli Wadia. Next, soap. I am going to tell about Dettol soap. Dettol is a brand of cleaning supplies and disinfectant and antiseptic introduced in 1932 and the manufacturer owned by the Anglo-Dutch company Reckitt Benckiser in Germany. It is sold under the name Sagraton. Sagroton. Next brand, Lifebuoy. Lifebuoy was introduced by Lever Brothers in 1895 in the United Kingdom. Originally a carbolic soap containing phenol, different varieties were later introduced without the medicinal carbonic smell. Next, Color TV. LG. It is the South Korean electronics company and its main products were refrigerator and washing machines. In the Indian subcontinent, the company is now second largest LCD television manufactured in the world and also started selling TV in India and would repel mosquitoes. Next brand, Sony. It is Japanese corporation house device field business like consumer electronics, video games and music entertainment. The Sony Corporation is the fifth largest television manufacturer in the world and the group consists of Sony Mobile, Sony Music and Sony Picture. Next, car. Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Udyog Limited was founded by the Government of India in 24th February 1981, only to merge with the Japanese automobile company Suzuki in October 1982. The first manufacturing factory of Maruti was established in Gurugram, Haryana in the same year. Next brand, Tata Indica. It is a super mini car launched by the Indian manufacturer Tata Motors in 1998. It was the first passenger hatchback from Tata Motors, with previous models being station wagons and SUVs. Next, toothpaste. Colgate. Colgate is an American brand principally used for oral hygiene products such as toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwashes, and dental floss. Colgate toothpaste was sold in glass jars since 1873. Colgate became popular in the 1950s. Next brand, Vico. Vico Group of Companies was founded by late Sri K.V. Pednekar in 1952. Under the umbrella of Vico Group, Vico Laboratories is a manufacturer of Indian Ayurvedic herbal hygiene, healthcare, and other products like herbal toothpaste, herbal tooth powders, natural turmeric, and sandalwood oil based skin cream, etc. Next, oil. Sapola. The brand Sapola was born in the decade of 1960. Sapola started out with processing edible cooking oils and slowly they became a premium brand in their category. The manufacturers of Sapola worked with a vision and introduced the brand as India's first oil product which is good for the heart. Next brand, Sundrop. It is one of the largest brands in the premium segment of refined oil consumer packs. What started in 1989 as sunflower oil in a predominantly groundnut and mustard oil market. Sundrop today offers a wide range of healthy oil to its consumer. Next, watch. Titan. Titan Company Limited was inaugurated on 26 July 1984 under the name of Titan Watches Limited in Chennai. Titan Company Limited as Limited is an Indian consumer goods company that mainly manufacture fashion accessories such as watches, jewelry and eyewear. Next brand, Timex. Timex Group USA is an American manufacturing company founded in 1854 as the Waterbury Clock Company in Waterbury, Connecticut. Next, ready-made garments. Peter England. More than a century later, Peter England made its foray into the Indian market in 1997. The brand was acquired by Aditya Birla Group in 2000 and quickly went on to become India's leading menswear brand. The brand was listed in top 5 most trusted brand in apparel category for 7 consecutive years. Next brand, Raymond's. Raymond Group is an Indian branded fabric and fashion retailer incorporated in 1925. The exclusive Raymond retail showroom King's Corner was opened at Ballard Estate in Mumbai. In 1968, Raymond had set up a ready-made garments plant at Thane. The following words are synonyms of smell, yet can be used only for certain things. Pick out right uses. We get stink smell from garbage. Stink means have a strong, unpleasant smell. For example, the place stank like a sewer. Aroma. We get good aroma from different spices. The definition of an aroma is smell or scent. An example of an aroma is the smell of freshly baked bread. A smell, especially a pleasant spicy or fragrance one. Fragrance. We get pleasant fragrance from different varieties of flower. Fragrance means having a pleasant scent or aroma. Sweet smelling, sweet scented or fragrance rose. We get good scent or pleasant scent from different perfume. Scent means a distinctive smell, especially one that is pleasant. For example, the scent of freshly cut hay. We get odor from different gases. Odor means a distinctive smell, especially an unpleasant one. Example, the odor of cigarette smoke. Fun fact, prior to the 1850, Toothpaste were usually powders. During the 1850s, new toothpaste in a jar called cream dentifrice was developed, and in 1873, Colgate started the mass production of toothpaste in jars. Colgate introduced its toothpaste in a tube similar to modern day toothpaste tubes in the 1890s. Now, students, we will meet our next session. Till then, have a good day.